Costa Rica, a land of lush rainforests, majestic mountains, verdant volcanoes, babbling streams, and wondrous waterfalls. It is an oasis of unspoiled beauty, only a few hours' flight from where you now sit. Nestled between the Atlantic and the Pacific, just above Panama, Costa Rica is a peaceful and prosperous tropical paradise. Renowned worldwide for its exotic natural beauty, Costa Rica is now the #1 eco-adventure destination in the world. And Costa Rica has also become the #1 place people come to retire or build vacation homes. For there are now more North Americans per capita living in Costa Rica than any other foreign country. Some of the reasons are obvious. A comfortable climate averaging 72 degrees Fahrenheit. No hurricanes or tornadoes. Fresh organic food all year. Friendly people. Laws favorable to foreign investment and private land ownership. Low building costs. Low property taxes. A long-term, stable, peaceful, and democratic government. A U.S. dollar still strong in Costa Rica. Affordable, high-quality health care by U.S.-trained, English-speaking doctors. And of course, the exquisite natural beauty of the land itself. Beauty actually protected by the Costa Rican government, with almost a third of the country's most beautiful lands set aside forever as national parks and nature reserves. Pura vida. It is an often heard Costa Rican greeting and a lifestyle many North Americans are choosing to live. The pure life.